Today we'll be reviewing the KD9 basketball shoe by Nike. This is the box here. It's got the KD9 logo on the front. It's got all these intricate little patterns on the box, on the side of the box. It says Nike Zoom KD9. This is a size 9.5 US, UK 8.5. You've got Kevin Durant's signature here. The box itself, it's got the KD logo there on that side. The Nike swoosh tick on that side, and on the front, Kevin Durant. On the bottom, it's just blank with all that that pattern. You can see that pattern there reflecting in the light. Okay, so let's have a look inside. So we open the box. We've got the same pattern on the tissue here in white. You can see that on the camera. We'll open up the tissue. And these are the KD9s. This one in particular is the Birds of Paradise shoe, which is actually my favourite KD shoe. So this is it here. This is the KD9. It's in a bluey, greeny tone. That's the heel. It's got a honeycomb look on the heel. It's got this 4-foot, separated 4-foot here, which gives you a bit more leverage and bend in the shoe there. This is actually the first KD shoe with a Flyknit, and it's on the 4-foot and the midsole of the shoe. That's this section here, which is the Flyknit. You can see it there. I'll bring it a bit closer. That's the texture of the Flyknit. The Flyknit allows the shoe to flex really well. It gives you breathability and it gives you a nice fit. This Flyknit has looped laces here, so you actually don't have holes. You've got looped laces here, which actually gives you a nice lockdown feel. The Zoom, it's got Nike Zoom here, Nike Zoom, and it runs the whole way across the shoe. It's a full shoe. You can might be able to see on the camera, it's actually a tapered zoom as well. So it's thicker here. I think it's around 13 mil there, and it tapers down to a lesser extent on the 4-foot. Big Nike swoosh on the side. On the back of this shoe, we have the KD logo. This one's in bright green. There's actually a rubber cap as well on the end of the shoe. See? And that's apparently, that pays homage to KD's photography. It's supposed to look like a DSLR digital camera lens. So I'm not sure about that, but that's what it's there for. So here we've got on the tongue, we have the number 35 on the tongue here, and then there's another little band that goes around the tongue, and it's got Kevin Durant on the tongue. You've also got looped main laces, which have got another tinge on them there, and you've got another mesh rear foot around here. In here there's some tissues, and you've got this padded tongue. So there's no tongue, you can see on the shoe. It's all incorporated into the shoe itself. You have this foam tongue here, and then inside, I'm not sure if you can see that there, you've got KD's signature inside the foot there. So in regards to expandiness, you can see that separated sole gives you a nice bit of spring in the shoe, and with the full KD, apparently these shoes are real bouncy. Again, off the front of the shoe, the front of the heel, we've got KD's signature, which just finishes the shoe off nicely. The grip isn't that deep, so you probably wouldn't want to wear these shoes outside. You can also just see faintly the KD logo. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. I might put it sideways. Inside the sole, the rubber sole there. And we also have Nike Zoom written across here as well. So that's a Birds of Paradise shoe. They're very cool looking shoe, a very popular shoe, especially at our store jumpstreet.com.au, which is all basketball shoes. These are a popular shoe and a very comfy fitting shoe. Great for guards because you get a real nice lockdown with this this 4-foot fly knit and lace setup. But yeah, they'll be good for anyone. So check them out at your local sports store or online at jumpstreet.com.au or any of the online basketball shoe stores. Check them out. It's the KD9. Yeah, and that's it. Put them back. And someone will buy these lucky pairs of shoes on our website. And that's the box. See ya. Bye.